In front of me is TECLAST T60 and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords to delete. Now enter your login method, hit the delete button and choose delete in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!